For centuries, wheat berries nourished civilizations, forming the backbone of sustenance and survival. These tiny grains, untouched by modern processing, hold the promise of life itself, the ability to transform into life-giving bread. Today, we often find ourselves reaching for commercially ground flour, readily available on supermarket shelves. However, this convenience comes at a cost, a shorter shelf life and the loss of precious nutrients during processing. Wheat berries, on the other hand, offer a return to simplicity and self-sufficiency. These unmilled kernels are a testament to nature's perfect packaging, preserving freshness and nutrients for years to come. Choosing wheat berries is a conscious decision, a shift from passive consumption to active participation in our food journey. It's about reclaiming the knowledge of our ancestors and embracing a more sustainable way of life. Imagine this, a pantry stocked with food, ready to nourish your family for months, even years to come. Wheat berries make this vision a reality. Unlike flour, which degrades relatively quickly due to oxidation, whole wheat berries boast an impressive shelf life. When stored properly in airtight containers away from moisture and pests, these resilient grains can last for a decade or more. This remarkable longevity stems from the bran and germ, the protective outer layers that shield the inner endosperm, where the starch resides. These layers, often removed during commercial milling, are what give wheat berries their incredible staying power. In an uncertain world, having a long-term food supply provides peace of mind. Knowing that you have access to nutritious staples like wheat berries can make all the difference in times of need. Wheat berries are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that are essential for good health. Unlike refined grains, which strip away the nutrient-rich bran and germ, whole wheat berries retain all three parts of the kernel, offering a complete package of nourishment. The bran, the outer layer, provides an abundance of fiber, which aids digestion, regulates blood sugar levels, and promotes a feeling of fullness. The germ, the tiny embryo of the wheat berry, is a concentrated source of vitamins, including B vitamins, vitamin E, and antioxidants. And the endosperm, the starchy center, provides energy-giving carbohydrates. By choosing wheat berries, you're not just getting calories, you're nourishing your body with essential nutrients that support overall well-being. Stepping into the world of wheat berries can feel like entering a grain emporium, with a diverse array of choices to explore. Each type of wheat berry offers its own unique set of characteristics, making the selection process both exciting and educational. From hard to soft, red to white, each variety possesses unique characteristics and culinary uses. The differences in texture, flavor, and nutritional content can significantly impact the outcome of your recipes. Hard red wheat berries, with their high protein content, are ideal for baking chewy breads and hearty pizza crusts. Their robust flavor and dense texture make them a favorite among artisan bakers and home cooks alike. Soft white wheat berries, on the other hand, yield lighter, fluffier textures, making them perfect for cakes, pastries, and delicate noodles. Their mild flavor allows them to blend seamlessly into sweet and savory dishes. Then there's durum wheat, prized for its high gluten content and used to craft semolina flour, the essential ingredient in pasta. This variety is essential for creating the perfect al dente texture in your homemade pasta dishes. And let's not forget spelt, an ancient grain closely related to wheat, known for its nutty flavor and slightly chewy texture. Spelt is often used in rustic breads and hearty salads, adding a unique twist to traditional recipes. Understanding the different types of wheat berries empowers you to select the best grain for your culinary creations, adding depth, flavor, and texture to your meals. Whether you're baking, cooking, or experimenting with new recipes, the right wheat berry can make all the difference. From berry to bread, the grinding process. Transforming wheat berries into flour, the foundation of countless culinary creations, is a rewarding process that connects us to the food we eat. While it might seem daunting at first, grinding your own flour is surprisingly simple and requires minimal equipment. A grain mill, a mechanical device that crushes and grinds grains, is the essential tool for this transformation. Electric mills offer speed and convenience, while manual mills provide a hands-on experience and the satisfaction of self-reliance. The grinding process itself is straightforward. Simply add wheat berries to the mill's hopper, adjust the settings to achieve the desired fineness, and let the machine work its magic. The aroma of freshly ground wheat, reminiscent of a bakery, fills the air, tantalizing your senses. Storing wheat berries. Safeguarding your bounty. Storing your wheat berries properly is crucial to maintaining their quality and ensuring they remain a reliable food source. Proper storage is key to preserving the freshness, flavor, and nutritional integrity of your wheat berries. Without the right storage methods, your hard-earned harvest could be at risk of spoilage or contamination. By following a few simple guidelines, you can ensure that your stockpile remains pantry-ready for years to come. Organization and attention to detail are your best allies in this process. Airtight containers are essential for keeping moisture, pests, and rodents at bay. These containers create a barrier that protects your wheat berries from external threats. Choose containers made from food-safe materials such as glass, stainless steel, or thick plastic. These materials are durable and provide an extra layer of security for your stored grains. For long-term storage, consider using Mylar bags, which offer an extra layer of protection against oxygen and light. Mylar bags are especially useful for preserving the quality of your wheat berries over extended periods. A cool, dry, and dark location is ideal for storing wheat berries. These conditions help to prevent the growth of mold and the invasion of pests. Basements, pantries, or dedicated storage rooms away from direct sunlight and heat sources are all suitable options. Keeping your storage area well organized will make it easier to manage your stockpile. Regularly inspect your stored grains for signs of moisture, pests, or spoilage. Early detection of any issues can save your entire stockpile from being compromised. By taking these precautions, you can safeguard your wheat berry bounty, ensuring that it's ready to nourish your family when needed. Proper storage not only protects your investment, but also guarantees that you have a reliable food source in times of need. Cooking with wheat berries. Versatility in the kitchen. Wheat berries, far from being one-dimensional, offer a world of culinary possibilities, adding texture, flavor, and nutrition to a wide range of dishes. Soaked overnight, wheat berries soften and become chewy, making them a delightful addition to salads, soups, and stews. They can be simmered in water or broth until tender, creating a hearty and satisfying porridge. Roasted wheat berries, with their nutty aroma and satisfying crunch, make a delicious snack or topping for yogurt or granola. Ground into flour, they form the foundation for countless baked goods, from crusty breads to delicate pastries. Don't be afraid to experiment and incorporate wheat berries into your favorite recipes. Their versatility knows no bounds, allowing you to explore new flavors and textures while nourishing your body with wholesome goodness. My journey with wheat berries, a personal touch. My journey with wheat berries began years ago, driven by a desire to embrace a more self-sufficient lifestyle and provide my family with wholesome, nourishing food. I remember the first time I saw those tiny kernels. They seemed so unassuming, yet held so much potential. It was a step towards a more mindful way of living, where I could control the quality of the ingredients that went into our meals. At first I was intimidated by the prospect of grinding my own flour, but the process turned out to be surprisingly simple and rewarding. The rhythmic motion of the grinder, the sound of the berries being crushed, it all became a therapeutic ritual. It was a return to basics, a connection to the way our ancestors prepared their food. The aroma of freshly ground wheat filling my kitchen, the satisfaction of transforming these tiny kernels into the foundation of countless meals, ignited a passion within me. It was more than just cooking, it was an act of love and care for my family. The scent alone could transport me to a simpler time, evoking memories of warmth and togetherness. Over time, wheat berries became a staple in our pantry, a symbol of resilience, self-reliance, and the joy of creating nourishing food from scratch. Each jar on the shelf represented countless hours of dedication and a commitment to healthier living. It was a small but significant change that brought us closer as a family. From hearty bread to comforting porridge, these versatile grains became the cornerstone of our diet. They offered endless possibilities, each dish a new adventure in flavor and texture. From vibrant salads to flavorful stews, wheat berries added a unique, nutty taste that enhanced every meal. They were a testament to the beauty of simple, wholesome ingredients. Wheat berries found their way into countless meals, enriching our lives in more ways than one. They became a symbol of our journey towards a more intentional and fulfilling way of living, reminding us daily of the joys of home-cooked meals and the love that goes into making them. Embracing wheat berries, a step towards self-sufficiency. In a world increasingly reliant on processed foods and complex supply chains, embracing wheat berries is a step towards self-sufficiency, a return to our roots, and a celebration of simple, wholesome living. These unassuming grains, packed with nutrition and capable of lasting for years, offer a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that we have the means to nourish ourselves and our loved ones. By incorporating wheat berries into our lives, we're not just embracing a healthier lifestyle, we're connecting with a long lineage of food traditions, honoring the wisdom of our ancestors, and taking an active role in shaping a more sustainable future. Let the journey begin.